Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about the topic, the need for classification. That is, why do we try to classify? First, let us define biological classification. So what is biological classification? It is the scientific procedure of arranging organisms into groups and subgroups based on some similarities and dissimilarities. That is, we have tried to group organisms based on some similarities and dissimilarities. This is basically biological classification. Now let us try to look into the necessity of biological classification, or why do we need to classify. First of all, a detailed study of organisms is not possible. It has been reported there are about 1.7 to 1.8 million organisms on our planet. Now, how can we study such a vast number? So, this can only be possible if we group organisms. For example, if we try to study a particular organism and we get sufficient information about that. Now, instead of studying organisms belonging to the same group, we can get enough or sufficient information about the organisms which are belonging to the same group. So, we do not have to study each and every organism. Next is, all organisms do not belong to one locality. That is, we are talking about 1.8 million organisms. So, those organisms cannot be expected to, we cannot get those organisms in a particular locality. So, classification helps in studying these. Now, it helps in studying organisms of the past. Very important. That is, because of classification, we are able to get information about organisms which we haven't encountered or which we haven't seen. For example, dinosaurs. How do we know about dinosaurs? How do we know about our ancestors? It has been possible because of this process of classification. Now, classification also provides information about different groups. Now, studying a particular group, from those information we can predict or estimate the characteristics of a different group if it has got some similarities with the existing group. So, different groups information can be obtained by studying a particular group. And importantly, it helps in identification of organisms. That is, we have now been able to identify any organism because of this process of classification. So, in this video, we have tried to define what is biological classification, and we have tried to understand what is the necessity for biological classification. I hope you have understood the video and enjoyed it. Thank you.